Hi, I'm Doug with Mansfield Plumbing. Today I'm going to talk about the vacuum breaker diaphragm seal replacement on your model 2206. If your vacuum breaker diaphragm begins to make an odd noise when shutting off, or you notice water flowing through the vent holes in the cover, it is an indicator that the diaphragm within the vacuum breaker needs to be replaced. Turn your water off and let the water out of the tank. With a set of channel locks, grab a hold of the cover on top of the vacuum breaker and make a quarter turn counterclockwise. Be sure to hold on to your valve while doing this. The cover will unsnap in a quick movement. Once the cover is removed, you will be able to see the diaphragm. Pull it out and notice while it's flat on top, the bottom has a cone shape with a hole in it that seals around the stem. If debris or general wear weakens the diaphragm, it cannot seal around the stem properly. That's what causes water to flow out of the vent holes or make an odd noise when it shuts off. You will need to replace the diaphragm with a new one. Set it in place with the cone shape facing down and push until it seats. Line your cover back on top of the vacuum breaker. You'll feel it drop on when it's in place. And with your channel locks, turn the cover clockwise until it snaps and locks back into place. Turn your water back on and allow your tank to fill.